That's right. Nobody wants this ordinary omelette when they can have something as flavorful and easy to make as this Chinese omelette. Super flavorful and umami rich, this Chinese omelette is easy to make. It's often served with rice along with other side dishes, but you can have the omelette on its own as well. For 2 large servings, we're going to break 4 eggs into a bowl. Next, we're going to add 1 heaped tablespoon or about 2 tablespoons of carrot that has been cut into small sticks like this, as well as 1 heaped tablespoon of spring onion, both the green and white portions. To a separate small bowl, add half a teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch, half a teaspoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of concentrated liquid chicken seasoning, and a dash of white pepper. To this, add just about 1 tablespoon of water, and then you're going to beat this well just till the corn flour dissolves. That's the secret umami seasoning right there. Add this to the egg mixture, and then we're going to beat this well. Add 1 or 2 extra tablespoons of water to make a fluffy omelette. We like that. Do a small taste test on the tip of your tongue, and if you need to, you can add just a drizzle of extra soy sauce. Over moderate heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a frying pan and heat. Add 3 cloves of garlic that has been finely chopped and start to stir fry this. As soon as you start to see the garlic starting to turn light golden, we're going to add in that egg mixture. Give it about 10 seconds to start to set from the sides. Then we're going to turn up the heat a little bit and gently start to fold in from the sides of the pan. Do this slowly. We don't want to scrape the bottom. We're not scrambling the eggs, but we're just building that fluffy texture. Just keep moving in that wet egg mixture from the sides to the center. Keep doing this until you can no longer move in the egg comfortably without some resistance as the wet egg starts to get cooked up. Reduce to the lowest heat at this point. If you keep folding in from the sides past this point, you'll break the omelette. So on the lowest heat, we're going to let the omelette cook slowly. The whole process should take just under 5 minutes. Occasionally you want to check the sides of the egg to see how it's going. The bottom side should start to get just light golden. We need it to get just firm enough to flip over. You can cover the pan to help the top get cooked a bit quicker, but you will need to flip the omelette at some point. So you'll need to keep checking. Slide in your spatula gently. As there's more wet egg on the center of the omelette, it tends to crack from the center. If it cracks, just let it cook a little while longer till that egg sets again. You might need to do this 1 or 2 times more. Going in again. Let's try. There's more liquid in the egg since we added that water to make the fluffy omelette. That's why you have to be really gentle. Whoops, still not ready. Just a while longer. Sometimes I like to flip over the omelette. Sometimes it flips over perfectly and sometimes it folds over like this. Some people actually like it like this with that soft center, but I prefer both sides equally cooked. So I'm just going to flip it over like this in 2 pieces, just till the other side gets golden as well. You need to add a light sprinkling of salt at the very end while the egg is still hot. This is important. Transfer to your serving plate and garnish with some freshly chopped spring onion greens. Your super flavorful Chinese-style omelette is ready to be served. Serve this along with the rice and other side dishes. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know if you try the recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!